anyanwụ ọ na-agazi nke ọma ihe niile dị ka ọ dị na na-esi asụsụ mana eji m ohere na-ekelekwa ọnụ ọzọ ma na-asị na aṅụrị ekeresimesi ka a nọ n'ime ugbu a. Morning, good afternoon, and evening. I wish each and every one of you a happy Christmas and happy New Year. Thank you, Mr. Amechi, for thank you. Oh, I hack you so much. I will thank you. Missed again today. I'm bad. Thank you. And I'm most because everything will be once again welcome. We're to use this opportunity to allow us to share, invite people, invite as many as you subscribe. Yeah. Previously, we've been discussing about ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma na anyasị ọma. Anya kedu ka ụbọchị dị? Eji m n'aka na n'ụbọchị na-agasị n'agbanyeghị etu ụwa siri kwụrụ. N'agbanyeghị oge mma werekwa ohere a na-asụ na nwere ekeresimesi ma werekwa ohere a na-echetara anyị na ọnwa dị na mmiri bụ Oriakụ Kristian Okeke na-eme ụbọchị ncheta ọmụmụ ya ndị bekee ụbọchị ahụ anyị ka ma dịkwa ụtọ site na amara Chineke. Ọ dị mma ihe na-aga a na-emezi wee na-agapụrụ ya ọfọ ndụ ajikwa niile ọfọ ndụ onye chiri ya ihe nọ n'ime ya bụ ebe bere ogobere ebela emegbula nwa mmadụ emegbukula nwa mmụọ onye hụrụ ihe ọma ga-abịara nwanne ya sị ọnya nọchikwara igbu nwanne ya so onye agbakwala isi igbu nwanne ya maọbụ isi ajiri the topic is familiar. Okay, if you go from Africa, especially we are from Igbo, we are from Igbo. The topic we are discussing about this thing The reason why we make omugwo. The and the procedure and the modalities. So that is the things, and these are the things and this Sarah going on resuming progress. Saturday as we move on that. So that's today. That's what we have today. Today's test isiokwu anyị bụ ọmụgwọ achie ya. Take a look at it. You will see. If you have any question, you are free to ask question. You are free to ask. So let's further ahead. Omugwo. Ogo follow. Why not? Ma ọ bụ ije nwoke nwoke asị gị na nwunye m jiri ọmụgwọ. Gịnị bụ ọmụgwọ a na-ekwu okwu ya? N'ihe mmanya ọbara dịka omenala Igbo siri dị bụ oge nne ji elezi nwaanyị lụrụ di nwa anya. Oge nne ji ezi nwa ya mụrụ nwa anya, ọbịa ka jaba gịnị a na-akpọ gịnị ọmụgwọ. Ụfọdụ nwere ike ọ pụtara na ọ bụ oge nwaanyị ka nne ya na-elegara ya anya. Bụ mba, ọ bụ nwaanyị mụrụ nwa. Ụfọdụ ndị na buga afọ ime ahụ mụọ ya n'udo, nne ya na-eme gịnị agakwa n'ihe ọtụtụ aha gịnị nwata aha mee gịnị ara ka bụ otu. Mana ọ gịnị kpataziri eji ele ọmụgwọ, ihe ga-elebacha anya na ya. Nwa ya lụrụ di mụrụ nwa, nne ji eleta nwa ya lụrụ di mụrụ nwa anya. N'omenala Igbo, nwoke anaghị aga ọmụgwọ, ọ bụ ụmụ nwanyị emere iji ọmụgwọ. N'omenala Igbo, nwoke anaghị aga ọmụgwọ. N'ụmụ ihe ndị ụmụ nwanyị na-eme ime tupu m aga n'elu, aga m arụta aka ahụ. Ihe ndị ahụ, ihe nwoke ji ha anaghị aga ọmụgwọ kpatara aga ọmụgwọ. Nke mekwa na ụmụ nwoke kwesịghị ịga ọmụgwọ. Nke mbụ, nwoke anaghị ike gịnị ọkachasị n'oge gboo gboo, a na-eji akpọrọ gịnị na awa gịnị ịmagodo nwata ya anyụ ọsị asasasị nkịrịka akwa ahụ eji ya gịnị awanye ya, asa ya mmiri agaghị ọkụ gbasakwa ya nwata ahụ gịnị ọzọ agaghị emenwu ụka ahụ. Nke abụọ, nwoke enwewu ike ịmalite eri ebe ọ na-eleta nwata amụrụ ọhụrụ anya iji nye nwa iji ọhụrụ ohere ihe ọma, n'ihi na ọ na-abụ bukata afọ ime ha dị ime ahụ, ọ na-ara ihi ụra. Ya bụ afọ ime ahụ na-ekwecha nke ọma, n'ihi na ọkwa mmadụ ibe ha ka ha bụ n'ime afọ ahụ. Nsogbu dị iche, ọrịa pịpịpị ya ga-abụ ọ bụrụ ahụ ọkụ, ọ bụrụ okwu mgbu, ọ n'ime afọ anaghị ekwe ya bụrụ ihe ndị ahụ ga-amụga anya onwe ya mụọ. A na-ele anya mụrụ nwa kwesịrị na-ezu ike kpatara aga ọmụgwọ. Mụrụ nwa na-ehi ụra iji nwekọ na nwa ya ahụ zute n'obere ike afọ ime mere gịnị okwu ya kpatara nwoke ji ọ naghị aga ọmụgwọ. Ọ bụrụ ọtasị ya anya nke ihe ihi ụra hifere ọmagbara nwata na ọ maghị ma ọ bụ ihe ụzọ metụtara ya wee ọ bụ ya kpatara ọmụgwọ. Nke a bụ nke abụọ bụ nwoke enwenwu ike isipụta. Anyị mụrụ nwa ọhụrụ nwere ike iri ogosi atọ nwaanyị mụrụ ọhụrụ mụrụ nwa ọkachasị a na-eburu ya ji awa ndị bekee kpọrọ ya ọbụla na-enye anyị nsogbu. Anyị ga na-anwa ike anyị tutu anyị nweta mmeri. Dịka m na-ekwu, were ụmụ akụrụngwa bụ ụmụ orishi nye ndị ahụ eji esi mmiri ọkụ ga-akpụkwa aha dịka anyị na-akụzi nkụzi a. Ihe ndị ahụ nwoke agaghị eshiwu ya, emenwe ohere isi ya. Nke anọ, nwoke ekwesịghị ihu ọtọ ada ya nwaanyị ya anya n'ụdị na ọ gara ịsa ada ya nwaanyị ahụ. N'ala Igbo ọ bụ arụ. For a father is the nakedness of his married daughter. Ọ bụ ya kpatara nwoke ji ọ naghị aga ọmụgwọ, n'ihi na n'oge ahụ a na-eme ọmụgwọ ahụ ka na-eji asa nwa ya nwaanyị ahụ, n'ihi na nwa afọ o jiri chaa nwa na-egbucha ya mgbu. Nne ya ezigbo mmiri ọkụ n'ahụ, ige ya ejiri ọdụ, mee ya ahụ eshie, maa ya mmiri ọkụ, gbagacha ya ahụ ya niile. Ọbara ọjọọ ndị ahụ kpọkwara akpọkọ mee gịnị? Gbasasịa ma ọ bụ ijikwa eme ka gịnị sie ya ike. Ọ bụ nne nwa na-asa nwa ya nwaanyị mụrụ ahụ n'oge a na-ele ọmụgwọ. Oge ụfọdụ nwere ike ajụkwa ọpụta na ndị agaghị ele nwe ọmụgwọ, mana e nwere ọrụ dịrị ụmụ nwoke, ọrụ dịrị gịnị? Ụmụ nwoke. Ya bụ ọ bụ ya kpatara ụmụ nwaanyị na-eji oge ụfọdụ ka nne na-eji akụziri nwa ya etu nke bụ na nwoke enweghị amamihe asa gịnị nwa amụrụ ọhụrụ gịnị ahụ acha ya mmiri ọkụ nwata ahụ ọ bụ oge ahụ mụrụ nwa ọhụrụ na-eji amụta ya n'aka nne ya. Ọ dịrị ya mfe ilekọta nwata ahụ ịbịanwu ma ọ bụgodị ere na nne ya nọrọ otu isi tupu ma ya amụọ amamụ nọ na ebe m na-aga. What I'm saying is not supposed to work. Reason is because one cannot bring out to wash the baby's napkin. This is when napkin is being used, not you go and buy diapers. Now women don't wash anymore. They buy diapers. No, wash the napkin. So a man will not bring out time to wash napkin. No, it is not. A man may not be able to prepare the meal, enjoy the meal, especially by to eat and to make it again. May not be able to stay awake at the midnight to look after the just put the bed sleep while the mother sleeps, because during pregnancy that is pregnant, find it difficult as a result of pregnancy. During that or those periods of 9 months, will be some series of problems, from one problem to another. During that period that she delivered, she is supposed to enable her regain her consciousness and her strength again. The man, how the man to the baby in the name of maybe he came for the dose of asleep. That is supposed to go to. Number 4 there is, in Igbo tradition, a man is not supposed to be nakedness who is married. No, it is an abomination. If the duty of the man to get the mother will talk from the to the and the child came from some law that's congealed in a normal shape and okay, it's not the duty of a man. Again, a man, the mother, okay, birthing a new baby, giving a new baby, takes some procedure. Not acceptable for in Igbo lands, but there are some things that a woman just within in 3, 4, 5 days. During this moment, the husband of this woman that just food, milk in the house, and the food, yam especially, yeah, fish, things you give to the woman, at least to make her easy to carry a baby womb, reverse and smoothly. If a woman tells you the journey of pregnant woman and delivery, so women they are wonderful people. Mothers are wonderful people. Yeah, that's why. Yes. So you see, you need to buy fruits, kinds of fruits, and that wants to be eaten now. This is a period where a woman is allowed to maybe all week. You see her on the streets, going to the market, leveling herself after level. No, it's not a that breast woman. But now the foods you provide, the food your people eat, yam, rice, cocoyam, fish. You buy fish. There's this catfish. In those days, catfish, that we use it to prepare yam pepper soup. You feel the taste of the catfish. And the azumangala, azubambam, good, mangala fish. Yes, stockfish. You can use fowl, buy fowl. You can even, go and goods, slaughter it for that woman. It's not easy. We know my omugwo. You may you be you buy. Now, but before your wife or the woman that just gave birth will come, of the son-in-law to his father-in-law's house, and if that their daughter, who is his wife, has been delivered, go with fowl, inform the woman, mommy, even it is period. I will ask her in that post, who is now happy to become a grandmother, will be buying, she will use to go to omugwo to visit and deliver the baby child. Now the son and informed her that her daughter has been delivered of a baby child. They will rejoice. Some go with gifts. Then the woman will and other responsibility husband cannot do, which a man cannot, and allow some stay 1 month, some stay, but the maximum time a woman is supposed to omugwo is 1 month. 1 month. Some stay. Now time your mother may be a civil servant, take leave you for the woman that just gave birth. Now, during this period, man, or that just gave birth is not to offend this woman. He is supposed to be. Then after the omugwo, maybe of the mother-in-law, when the mother-in-law, the husband will appreciate the work, gifts, clothes, a bag of different foods, and pack them in a boot or in a trunk. Less socks. Buy so that when the woman goes her home and they tell them that this is what they brought, and other women will, rejoice with her that a newborn child has been. It's not a grandmother. No, it is to be a grandfather or a grandmother. And that is why the father will say, right, you. Some will surprise their in-law with a may transfer money to him, at least giving you that or maiden, a mother that made a father. Okay, so that is the omugwo. Omugwo is important because one, together, because it's a kind of that is when the woman that just gets to a newborn child. Okay, that's a omugwo for you. That's a omugwo for you. Very nice. Okay, so I've explained what omugwo is, and the effects of omugwo and the things that are done. Another question is that just give birth to, who will look after that woman? Okay. Sister, that is the woman that can go. Maybe no more if of the husband go to, okay, yeah, go to Obo and look after the in-law. Some cases where the mother-in-law no more, the husband can take care of that, or the sister and look after the sister, give birth to a new child. So there are some procedures. A man is not supposed to, not the brother will not go. That doesn't know how that not go. It is because is for a woman, somebody that has kind of that just a newborn child. So have any question to ask me? You're afraid to ask me a question? Yeah, there are some cases where maybe the very far from where the woman can the most for me, and maybe let us see. Okay, yeah, that is then why go to the home? Well, mother was alive giving birth to children. My brother, she buys different things, different goodies, and all these foods. She buy okra, plantain, banana. That's this small area. She come at, oh my God! She come with okra beke. She come with yam. Different in that basket. In those women go with this basket they carry. If you open it, you see different of food. Okay, you're welcome. And what's so jumping up? So will be so happy in that period. Oh my goodness! Oh, is a food. Now during that omugwo, anybody visit the woman, some go with soup, go with money. You give the woman money at least to congratulate her, for a self delivery, thanking God for a self delivery, and if it is a male child and that is the mother of the woman that just gave birth will be taking care of in their child, the child. In tradition, you just circumcise a girl child, you don't a girl child. So if you see any person doing that, female size child, yeah, in this period, child, then and the mother just gave birth will not leave until strong or strong enough to the hummus. And it is for 3 months, for 3 months, so that she will not strong. Sleep not the husband must provide. whatever she demands for her. Okay, you provide it for her. Uh, because like a woman that is pregnant, because a pregnant woman sometimes demands for something that's that is unusual. So you need to give it to her, at least to make at least because it's she's that we call it that, and she's not how call her home. The woman that just came to Omugo now have a call her grandmother, grandpa. These are the things. So I really enjoy your stay back here. Thank you, General Paul, and thank you, Mrs. Krillin, on me with passion. Thank you so much, viewers all over the world. Please do share this video and invite others to subscribe. Okay? We'll be back again. And by next week, Saturday. I remember I said that next week, Saturday, we'll be going on vacation for the season. And this month is our month. So this month we'll be celebrating. So thank you so much. Class I eat.